Hi, this time I show you the IKEA kitchen island with article number 405-231-77. I will show you how I unboxing it and how I assembled it. This small, sturdy kitchen island is easy to place next to the grill as an additional work surface. Or in my case, I put my compact electrical grill on top to cook delicious food outside. You can place instruments on the shelves for easy access, so you can cook comfortably on the stainless steel surface. This kitchen island provides extra storage space and a good work surface where you can prepare your food before it's time to put it on the grill. The shelves have plenty of space for plates, glasses, instruments and other essentials for a barbecue party. The work surface is made of stainless steel, a hygienic, robust and durable material that is rust resistant and easy to clean. This mobile shelf is made of steel and has a durable, powder-coated surface that can be easily wiped dry. If you are planning a complete outdoor kitchen, check out the entire GRILLSKÄR range, as IKEA also offers other comfortable and customizable solutions. Have a nice video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below this video. I will definitely answer you. Hot weekend, bye!